I've got Birchbox, so if you want to see what's inside these boxes, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So I just unboxed both of my Beautylish boxes. I was very disappointed, and I already know I'm pre-disappointed for this because I know what my choices were. But one of these is a accommodation order because they're supposed to email you at choice time. I never got an email. I didn't realize that it was choice time, and they just sent me products, and almost everything in that box was a sample. There was one full-size item, which was a hair comb, and everything else was a sample. And so I told them I was very upset with that and that I was canceling my subscription. So they did offer me an accommodation order. They allowed me to choose, I believe, 3 items. I don't know if they were full size or sample. It didn't say. So one of these is that. Both boxes are light. This one's lighter, so I think it's this one. They have rebranded, and they are now owned by the same company that owns Beachly, which, as you know, I canceled that. Okay, so this is my accommodation order. So they had a variety of things on there. Again, they didn't tell me if they were full size or deluxe samples. So I chose the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Texture Spray, which was a sample. The Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. I do love their mascaras. This is a nice thin wand. And then this, I think, was a full size, just looking at it. This is by Kofke, and it is their Pinky Promise. And I think it's a blush stick. Let's open it up and find out. Mendy Moment Blush. Oh, not a stick, it's a little tube. But I still think this is full size. I'm not 100% sure, but I will look that up and let you know. It is 10 milliliters. So based upon that and having a really good feeling about like how they took care of me, I did go ahead and resubscribe for 3 months. I didn't realize this. I thought like everybody got to choose because my initial subscription was for 3 months, but I guess you have to subscribe for 3 months. I heard somebody say in order to be able to choose everything. So I did that. It was the end of the month, but it was a weekend. So it didn't pick up my subscription. I couldn't choose on the 1st. I think the 1st was on a Saturday, and I think I repicked it up on a Friday night. So it wouldn't let me choose on the 1st. I had to choose on the 2nd. And by that point, most everything was gone. I had very, very limited choice. So I was, again, disappointed. And this box is also very light because it's almost all samples. And initially, I was getting like 3 full-size items, which this is the same price as Allure. And Allure, you're getting full size. So I believe that that's definitely the better box. Or the Beauty Fix by Derm Store. All right. So there's a little card in here, which just goes over, I don't know. What does it go over? New year, new brand, kind ship. And I don't know, see what's in your box, this little scanny thing. All right, so what do I have? I have this all-in-one egg mellow cream. I don't even remember what this was. It is Too Cool for School, London, New York, 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. This is 15 milliliters. And it's full to about right there. By Wander Beauty, we have this Rendezvous. I believe this is a little mini blush. Double Date Lip and Cheek. So this will be a cream product you can use on either. We have by Biro, New York, a tofu cream gel. This is tiny, and it is filled to, what am I seeing here? I feel like I'm seeing it filled to like right here. So this is how much product. This is 7 milliliters. By Aromatherapy Associates is the Revive Morning Bath and Shower Gel. And this is 9 milliliters. Smells very nice. By N4 Performance Hair Care is a blow dry lotion. I don't even remember picking half this stuff, but there was like nothing to choose from, so I probably just grabbed whatever and didn't pay attention. This is 30 milliliters. And then by Grande Cosmetics is their Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Gel and Brow Enhancing Serum in Auburn. So this is 2 milliliters or 0.7 fluid ounces. I don't know if this is full size or not. So I'm going to be all over this on the 1st as soon as I get up in the morning. This is definitely a sample because I have a full size one of these. So, and it's bigger than this. At least I believe it's the same product. So basically for $20, I got a box full of samples. This sounds like old Birchbox, not new Birchbox. They were doing really good, at least with having like some really nice full size items. And so, I don't know, stay tuned. Next month, if I run into the same no full size items, it's getting canceled again. Because for the price, I would rather resubscribe to Beauty Fix. All right, so there it is. There is the color. I know it's not. All right, that is my Birchbox. Really disappointing. I will look and see what other people got to choose from, and if other people are getting full sizes. This is the 2nd month in a row, though. I've got a box full of sample sizes. So that's the whole reason I'm canceling my glam bag, is because I'm not paying $19 for all samples. It's going to be the same thing with Birchbox. So Birchbox, you're on the chopping block. Watch yourself because you could be gone. All right, well, I've got 2 more months of it. So we'll see. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.